Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this TPMS Relearn tool by VXDAS. This is a sponsored video. Thank you VXDAS for sending me this product. I really appreciate it. So what this is a tire pressure reset tool. So, well, it's relearning it basically. So if your car has tire pressure monitoring system and it's like an older car like a Vauxhall Astra or whatever, you won't have the system in your car to like reset it. You have to do it manually, which is using like a system. This is a system that you can use for that, whereas in my newer car like the BMW, it's all on board. You press the buttons. I've made a video on that. So yeah, but these are for older cars and cars that do not have that function, so this is very handy for that. So yeah, this is not, it's not very expensive as well, so that's really good. It's affordable. So yeah, it's a 2-in-1. You got the tire pressure monitor system, and you can also check your tire pressure just in general. Okay, so you got gauge, relearn, battery saving mode, and sensitive. Alright guys, so you can see all 4 modes, all 4 versions. I mean, you can check in PSI or bar or kPa, whatever you're measuring it in. Let's go ahead and open this, guys. Wow. Okay, come nicely packaged, easy to pull out. I think, hopefully. I don't think this will have a battery included, because this does require battery to function, I believe. What the one thing I like about this is it looks like a walkie-talkie, which is pretty cool. Okay, pull this out here. Okay, pull this out here. Slowly. There you go. I love this. It's always soft. That's what I like. Alright, wow. So yeah, this has like a matte effect to it. Really big fan of that. Oh, I was hoping this dial would turn, but it doesn't. Or does it? No, I don't think it does. But yeah, this is extremely light. Like, I'm surprised. So yeah, it's got a matte effect to it. I really like that. So got a top end there. That's where the tire pressure thing goes. You plug into there. So you plug into your tire, obviously, and then yeah. Don't believe. Let me check if they did give batteries. I don't think they have. No. So you do need a 9-volt battery, which is the big fat one. I think they call it a C battery or something. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm gonna have to buy one of them. Don't have one at home anyway. It's not a common used battery in the UK, I don't think. For most devices, we use AAA and AA more mainly. So yeah, so ensure the vehicle is in learn mode. Follow the service procedure. Hold the tool against the sidewall of the tire. Need this involved. Press the right button while holding the tool against the. Okay. Oh, I love. Wow. I really like that push button to turn it on and off. That's sick. Okay, so it tells you how to do it all on there if you forget anyway. It's got a really nice grip. So yeah, I'll make a video on how to use this. So that's your PSI button to change the values from bar to PSI to whatever, and that's your setting thing, I think, and then that's your battery indicator. So yeah, you got a tiny screen there, which is nice. This is how you relearn the sensors. It tells you there. Set the vehicle of the tire pressure training monitor. Alright. So yeah, it makes sounds as well and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all your instructions. Quite easy. Pretty sick, isn't it, guys? So I will probably make a video on this, on how to use it, once I find a battery for it. So yeah, I appreciate you VXDAS. This product is really nice and good, and from what I've read on other reviews, it does work definitely. So yeah, it's worth it, and it's really nice product, really nice. Can't complain about it. It's really nice. So thank you VXDAS again, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.